Introduction to File Compression. File compression is the process of reducing the size of a file by encoding data in a way that uses less space. As technology advances, there is an increased need for file compression due to the large amount of data we generate and store. File compression can help improve computer performance and make files easier to store and transfer. Benefits of file compression: reduces size of files, making them easier to store and transfer. Compressed files take up less space on hard drives or USB drives. Compressed files require less time to upload or download. Can improve computer performance as compressed files require less disk space and memory. Different types of file compression algorithms. Lossy compression removes some data to reduce file size, often used for media files. Lossless compression removes redundant data without sacrificing quality, often used for text files. Compressing files with HTML5 File API. HTML5 File API allows interaction with files on a user's computer, including file compression. File compression with HTML5 File API involves using FileReader and blob objects. Example code is provided for compressing a file using the HTML5 File API. Step-by-step guide to compressing files with HTML5 File API. Create a new FileReader object and listen for the onload event. Use the read-as-array buffer method to read the file contents. Create a new blob object with the compressed data. Create a new FileWriter object and write the compressed file to disk. How to shrink an Excel file with HTML5 File API. HTML5 File API can also be used to compress Excel files. Compression of Excel files involves using the JS-XLSX library. Example code is provided for compressing an Excel file using the HTML5 File API. Overview of file compression software and tools. There are several file compression software and tools available, offering more advanced features than the HTML5 File API. Examples of popular file compression tools include WinZip and 7-Zip. How compressed files work and factors to consider when compressing files. Compressed files work by encoding data in a way that takes up less space. Not all files are suitable for compression. For example, already compressed files may not be compressible any further. Choosing the right compression algorithm for the type of file is important. Comparison of different file compression software and tools. WinZip, simple interface, wide range of compression options, supports self-extracting archives. 7-Zip, free and open source, supports wide range of compression algorithms, supports several file formats. WinRAR supports wide range of compression algorithms, supports several file formats, offers advanced features. Conclusion and final thoughts on file compression. File compression is essential for anyone who works with digital files. HTML5 File API is a powerful tool for file compression, but there are also several file compression software and tools available that offer more advanced features. Choosing the right compression algorithm and tool can help reduce file size without sacrificing quality.